Hello, and welcome to Kelsey Spencer's presentation of dark energy and string theory for dummies. Today, I will be doing my best to teach you about dark energy and string theory. String theory is something that is hard to nail down, but I will be doing my best to teach you in a way that both you and I understand. To start, we will have to talk about dark energy. The definition of dark energy, according to a little website called Google, is a theoretical repulsive force that counteracts gravity and causes the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck does that mean? To be honest, I'm thinking the same thing. So let's head over to our handy-dandy friend, TED.com, and see what Brian Greene has to say about it. To paraphrase what Brian said in his TED Talk entitled, "Is Our Universe the Only Universe?" Dark energy is a type of repulsive gravity that pushes galaxies away from each other and causes the expansion of the universe to speed up and not slow down. Weird, right? It turns out gravity is like a magnet. It is something that has the power to bring things together, but it also has the power to repel and push things apart. The discovery of dark energy, which is what is behind me, led to another question, as things often do in the world of science, and that question has to do with the amount of dark energy that actually exists in the universe. When scientists did the math to determine how much dark energy was needed to make expansion speed up the way it is, they got a very tiny number. And this number doesn't fit in so well to what we know about the universe. Thus, string theory was born. First, it is important to note that string theory is not the only theory that exists to try to come up with a way to factor in how much dark energy is in the universe, but it is the only theory I will be talking about in this video. So, string theory. Essentially, it's a theory that has to do with these conceptual little tiny small strings that exist inside subatomic particles. We don't have the technology to see anything smaller than a subatomic particle, thus allowing us to have theories like this. These strings are made up of energy and they vibrate. The vibrations can occur in different patterns and produce particles like electrons, quarks, neutrinos, and photons. These particles, in the words of Brian Greene, would be united into a single framework as they would all arise from vibrating strings. It's a compelling picture, a kind of cosmic symphony, where all the richness that we see in the world around us emerges from the music that these little tiny strings can play. So, to sum it all up, dark energy exists, but we don't know how to get to the little tiny number that explains how much is in the universe. And string theory is just one way scientists have found to explain it.